Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on ZTE Blade A54. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way. So switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated fire mode, and how to activate it you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for a phone. Let's open the settings, then swipe down and look for the system. Now select Reset options and choose Network settings. The Bluetooth is included here. Tap on the Reset settings button, go here pattern and tap on the Reset settings button again. After that, look again for device on the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the system update, and if you have any update, just install it and check for your device again. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.